Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a deep dive into the glittering world of gold and why Michael Burry, yes, the same guy who saw the 2008 crash coming, just made a multi-million-dollar bet on the shiny metal we call gold. And in a move that's sure to make tech fans cry, he dumped some big names like Alphabet and Amazon. So grab your popcorn, grab your tinfoil hats, because things are about to get super duper interesting. Do you guys remember the movie The Big Short? The movie where Burry saw the housing market crash coming and everyone thought he was absolutely batshit crazy? Well, he's at it again, but this time he's eyeing gold. Yes, gold, the precious metal of choice of this channel. According to a recent SEC filing, Burry's Scion Asset Management made some bold moves in the first quarter of 2024. He sold off his stakes in Amazon and Alphabet and loaded up on gold. So let's break it down in today's video. First up, bye-bye to Amazon and bye-bye to Alphabet. Burry isn't just ghosting them, he's swiping them left harder. But why? Maybe he's tired of Jeff Bezos' space trips or Google's creepy data collection, or to me, their search engine algos. They're so bad recently. You guys seen that? Or maybe, just maybe, he's just seeing something shiny on the horizon. So enter gold. Burry bought 440,729 shares of Sprott Physical Gold Trust worth a cool $7.6 million. And that's not just a small bet. That's a bet with some serious cojones. This trust holds its assets in physical gold bullion, meaning Burry can cash out for actual gold bars, like Scrooge McDuck, without the weird swimming part. You guys remember that show, right? It was one of my favorites. Swimming in a bank full of gold coins? Come on, that's my dream. I'd love to do that on this channel. So stay tuned and subscribe. It's not just any gold. It's gold that's bet on a hot streak. Gold prices have jumped 14.3% this year, outpacing the S&P 500's 11.7% gain. Inflation fears, geopolitical tensions, and economic uncertainty are driving this surge. While Joe Biden fumbles around like he's trying to find the remote, gold's been quietly kicking some butt. Why gold, though? Well, it's simple. Gold's been around forever, since your grandpa's grandpa was trading shiny rocks for cows. It's a hedge against inflation and economic chaos. When fiat currency starts to feel like monopoly money, gold stands tall. We talk about it all the time on this channel. Unlike the Federal Reserve's printer, gold can't just be whipped up out of thin air. So, speaking of that, let's talk about inflation. Remember that time when Joe Biden said inflation was just transitory? Well, that didn't age very well, and neither did he. When central banks print money like there's no tomorrow, inflation takes off. Think of Weimar, Germany, or Zimbabwe, where people needed wheelbarrows full of cash to buy a loaf of bread. Yes, that actually happened. Gold, on the other hand, holds its value. It's like that one friend who never changes no matter how crazy things get. So if you're thinking about getting a piece of the action, here are 3 ways to do it. First, buy gold bullion. It's about as straightforward as buying a beer, just a lot more expensive. You get the actual metal, but it's a tangible asset. But remember, secure storage is a must. You don't want to end up like those idiots who lose their life savings under the mattress. Yeah, that's right. Some people actually do that because nothing says financial security like holding all of your wealth at a spot where even the tooth fairy would look for it. Invest in a safe, folks. Get a safe deposit box or go to a depository. Second, invest in gold stocks or ETFs. Buy shares in a gold mining company or an ETF that tracks gold prices. These give you the exposure to gold without needing that vault, right? No one will find it. It's in your account, your E-Trade, your TD Ameritrade, wherever you trade. Just watch out for market risks, and remember, even miners can strike out. Sometimes they dig up nothing but dirt or dreams. It happens. When they hit the mother lode, oh boy, it's like striking gold in your backyard. The value of these stocks can shoot up, reflecting not just the price of gold, but the profitability of their mining operations. I invest in gold mining companies and stocks. That's about the only stocks I'm trading right now. Lastly, consider a gold IRA. I did one, Greg did one. This isn't your grandma's IRA. It's a shiny, blinged out version. You get tax advantages and the security of gold. But be smart. Make sure it's a part of your diversified portfolio. Don't go all in like a degenerate gambler on a trip to Vegas. 5 to 20% is a good amount of your wealth to park in there for your retirement. Seriously, don't be the guy who bets his life savings on black. A gold IRA can be a solid part of your retirement strategy, but remember to do it right. Life is about balance and diversification. Too much gold, you might end up on a roller coaster ride you did not sign up for. Gold has seen its ups and downs over the years, and during the 1980s, it hit record highs and then took a massive nosedive, so you got to know how to play it. Fast forward to the 2000s, gold made a massive comeback. It peaked during the financial crisis. 2008, we talk about it all the time. People made 2 or 3 times their money on gold. Gold is shining bright again. It's like the Rocky Balboa of investments. It's always ready for a comeback, and it's been on a massive one lately. Now, Michael Burry's bet on gold might seem like a wild move, but the man has a crazy track record. Watch the movie The Big Short. Maybe he's onto something. Maybe he's just tired of Silicon Valley's BS. Maybe he doesn't like it the way the world is turning. Either way, it's got us all talking. It's got us all following him. So whether you follow Burry and go for the gold or stick with your tech stocks and hope for the best, it's your choice. To recap, here's your options. Buy physical gold if you want to feel like a pirate. Invest in gold stocks and ETFs for a more modern approach from your computer, or go for a gold IRA like I did if you're thinking long term. There's a link below if you want to do that. Click on the link to get matched up with a company. Now, each has its pros and cons, so do your homework before diving in. And hey, even if gold doesn't work out, you can always blame Joe Biden. That's one thing that never gets old. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and let us know your thoughts. Are you on Team Gold or Team Tech? I'm on Team Gold. Till next time, stay shiny and keep investing well.